Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the disconnect protection feature on the Twitch application, meaning that when your primary stream fails, you will be able to display a temporary visual to your viewers. So first of all, I would like to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner and then click on channel. After that, you should tap on this customize channel button on the right side. Then you should go to this left side column and tap on settings. Then click on channel or stream. Tap on stream. And then you should find this second option, which is disconnect protection. So if you would like to display a temporary visual to your viewers as a backup, then you should tap on this button to enable this feature. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.